How do you make videos on Twitch? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can make videos on Twitch. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you know that Twitch is mostly popular for streaming and not recording and uploading. But regardless of everything, if you'd like to upload and record videos instead of just point blankly going ahead and then start streaming directly, what you can do is you have to download the Twitch Studio application. I repeat, you have to download the Twitch Studio application. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Now, once you download and install the Twitch Studio, you open and you log into your account. If you look at the bottom, you have the option called Start Stream. But that is not what we want to do. We want to start recording. So on the right hand side, you'll find a little arrow button here. Make sure to click the arrow icon. And now here you'll find the option called Record Video. Click on the record video option, go on about customizing your settings, and you'll be able to record videos on Twitch. This way you can record and upload videos from Twitch. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.